My name is Chris. I work for WizzDev. Today I will give a demonstration of the IoT Starter project. I will show you where to download the open source software, how to set up the hardware, and how to connect your ESP32 to a sensor and to the cloud. So you'll need an ESP32 DevKit C, a DHT22 sensor, a resistor. This is a 3.9K resistor, but anything around 5K or 10K will work. These are 3 wires, and you need a breadboard and a micro USB cable. So first you'll start with plugging in the ESP32 in the breadboard. Then you put a resistor in. This will be between the first 2 pads of the sensor. The first pad will be connected to 3V 3. The second will be connected to signal, and this will go to pin 27. And the third one will go to ground. Then you can connect the sensor, and then you can plug in the micro USB cable and plug your device in your PC.
Go to github.com/WizzDevPL, open the IoT Starter repository, and here you can clone. You need to recursively clone the repository. In the repository you will find a README, and there's also a README in the MicroPython folder and in the ThingsBoard folder. Go ahead and follow these instructions to install and flash your device. You will also need to create a ThingsBoard account. You can do this with your GitHub account. Once you've created the device and a dashboard, you can open your dashboard, and you should be able to see the sensor values here.
Thanks for watching. If you want to replicate this demo yourself and try it at home, be sure to check out our blog and follow the step-by-step instructions.